With focus being one of the most important aspects of learning in school, it's unfortunately one of the hardest things for students to be able to achieve to their full potential. A major component of focus comes from the environment a student is located in. Because of this, we decided to test how different light intensities affect students' focusing abilities by measuring how long it takes to complete a memory game. In this process, we sat in different light intensities and played a memory card game. While one member of the group played the game, another timed them. We conducted trials in each area and analyzed our times to determine which environment allowed for peak focus. In the aspect of biology, I noticed that varying light intensities contributed to different levels of eye strain, with dim lighting making it harder to distinguish cards and bright lighting causing discomfort. This is because eye strain is directly related to the way our eyes and brains process light and focus on objects. In dim lighting, the pupils dilate to allow in more light, which forces the ciliary muscles to work harder to adjust the shape of the lens and maintain focus. This added strain can cause fatigue, blurred vision, and slower cognitive processing. Conversely, in bright lighting, the pupils constrict to limit excessive light exposure, but intense brightness or glare can cause discomfort by overstimulating the retina, leading to headaches or difficulty maintaining focus. Additionally, both extreme lighting conditions can reduce blink rates, causing dry eyes and irritation, which further distracts from cognitive tasks. This suggests that lighting not only affects cognitive performance, but also influences visual fatigue on a physiological level, impacting the efficiency of focus and memory retention. Our experiment highlights how the biology of the eye and nervous system plays a crucial role in concentration, demonstrating that optimal lighting is key for reducing strain and enhancing learning performance. After this clip, you will see a photo of our graph that we created, and it has each trial and the times that it took for each of us to do the cards, and the different lightings, and it'll just compare the different areas so you can kind of get a picture of how the different lightings affected our ability to do the cards and actually focus better with the cards.
For the sports science portion of our CSP, we looked into how light intensity affects your reaction time, which reflects your ability to focus. Your reaction time in playing a matching card game is closely related to the nervous system because it involves sensory input, neural processing, and motor responses. Your sensory input occurs when you see the cards and detect visual stimuli, which sends a stimulus through the optic nerve to the brain. Your sensory neurons transmit this information to the central nervous system. The brain processes the visual information and recognizes the patterns and retrieves memory from the previous cards. The hippocampus, which is responsible for your memory, helps recall where you saw the matching card. The frontal lobe plays a key role in decision making, helping you determine the best move. Your motor response is when the brain decides to pick which card is next. It sends motor neurons to your muscles in your hands and fingers. Your hand moves quickly to flip the card, showing your reaction time. Your reaction time is faster when there is faster neural processing. Your reaction depends on how quickly neurons transmit signals and how efficiently and effectively your brain processes and recalls the information it saw previously. The more you play, the stronger your neural pathways become in improving your memory reflexes, which actually was shown in our reaction times. Most of our reaction times in the first set versus the second set, it got a lot faster. And then between the different light intensities, when you were in a higher light intensity, which was outside, we had a lot slower reaction time versus when we were in a darker corner of the library, which is shown in our graph here. This is in a dark corner of the library. This is in the hallway. This is in the library near a window, and this is outside where the seniors eat lunch. This is, each color is a different person, so each person has a different reaction time. But throughout the graph, each person's reaction time got a lot faster as the light decreased and was a lot slower in seconds. This is the highest when we were outside. So it's safe to say that light intensity does play a key role in your reaction time, and it has to do with your focus and your ability for your brain to process information it receives in the stimulus responses.
This experiment connects to physics because we were testing how different light conditions affect reaction time in a matching game. We used physics to measure the light intensity in each setting using a lux meter, which helped us compare the brightness levels accurately. Since light affects how well we see, the amount and quality of light can impact how fast our eyes and brain respond during the game. We also considered screen glare and visibility, which are related to how sunlight reflects and how our eyes perceive contrast. So, physics helped us understand how lighting might physically affect our ability to react quickly.